about that. Pretty flowers. Uh-oh, starting to drizzle. Can I have a poncho? Gonna watch that far away. Because the company makes it look far away. I mean, they're not really far away. Oh, right here, you can hear it. I don't know if you can, but yes. I want that one. No, I want that one.
Wow. This one. Oh wait, that's the head. Hang on. Freeze. Freeze. You're gonna rip it, and this is the only poncho I have
The only one?
for you. Yes.
Can I have a poncho?
Yes, I have one for every single person if you would like one. Miriam, do you want the pink one?
I want a pink one.
I can have the pink, but I don't want a poncho just.
Okay.
Okay, you get a pink one?
Here's a GoPro, Daddy. I filmed some.
Oh, can I film?
Sure, bud.
It doesn't go on for a very long time.